a polynomial function, creating a polynomial function with the given zeros. So I'm always going to start, let me see if I can use kind of an ink here, pen to separate this. So I have x minus some quantity, x minus some quantity, and x minus some quantity. Now those quantities would be 0, radical 5, and negative radical 5. X minus radical 5, two negatives makes a positive, x plus radical 5, and x minus 0 is simply x. I'm going to take and FOIL these two. Now when I have parentheses that are exactly the same, the only difference is the sign in between. I only have to do, out of the FOILing, I only have to do the front and the last because these two are additive inverses. They're directly opposite of one another. In this case, it would be a positive radical 5x and a negative radical 5x if you did all 4 steps. So I get to simplify, only multiply the fronts and then the backs. A negative times a positive is a negative. And radical 5 times radical 5 is radical 25. Now the square root, if I move this up, the square root of 25 is 5. I can bring down the x in front, and now when I distribute the x, I end up with x cubed minus 5x. We're going to set that equal to 0, and now we have created a polynomial function.